Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of the placement series, and I hope you are enjoying the series. So basically in this episode we are going to talk about Infosys. So basically we will talk about different we can say that program through which Infosys hired the freshers. So basically Infosys came through a program called InfyTQ, and InfyTQ basically we have to register for that, and it was I think when we were in our 7th semester. So we received the notification that Infosys is going to hire through their InfyTQ program. So we have registered for that, and all the branches were allowed to register for that. And after the registration, we received the notification to select our slot and day. Basically, the exam was conducted in the it was conducted in 4th day, and different slot was there, and 2 slot was there in morning and evening. So after selection of the slot, we got the exam link. And now let me talk about the exam pattern. How was the question, from which topic the question were mostly. So basically the first round, the question, there were basically 2 sections. First was the MCQ round, and the second was a coding round. So in first round, basically the question was from data structure, and question was also from DBMS. And from data structure, topics like sorting was there, searching was there, and most of the question was from OOPS concept. So you have to prepare them really well. And from DBMS, there was simple question like normal form, second normal form, and to cross the table, different types of combinations were there. So it was pretty easy level question. So in the second round, we were having 2 coding questions, and we can say that the level of the question was from easy to medium, and basically you can move over to the easy level only. So it was quite okay. So in order to clear the first round, you need to solve at least more than 1 question to secure for the second round. So in this case, I was able to solve both the 2 coding question, and the MCQ was solved by me. So after that, we received the notification that I got selected for the next round, that was advantage round. So here is a catch. If you qualify the first round, and if you are not able to qualify the advantage round, you will get the opportunity interview for the system engineer whose package is 3.8 LPA. So basically at this time only, there were one more program that was run by the Infosys, that was Hack with Infinity. So now let me talk about what is Hack with Infinity. So basically Hack with Infinity and advantage round was same. If you don't want to get the role of system engineer, you can directly apply for the higher role for the through the Hack with Infinity program. And the question level of Hack with Infinity and advantage round was same, nothing difference was there. Now let me talk about the advantage round, that was the second round of InfyTQ. So here comes the grade. The question level was, there were total 3 questions, and basically the question covers the topic from you can say the mixture of linked list, graph, tree, backtracking, dynamic programming, and the levels were from medium to hard level. And it was very, you can say that, difficult for us to pass all the test cases. And here, if you are able to solve 2 questions, at least 2 questions or more than that, you will get interview opportunity of 9.5 LPA, that is power programmer. And if you will solve more than 1 question, then you will get the role of DSC, that is digital specialist engineer, with a package of 6.5 LPA. So unfortunately in this InfyTQ, I was not able to solve the question because the test case was not passing, and as a result I was not able to qualify for the power programmer round, and got the interview opportunity of system engineer, that is 3.8 LPA. So after 3 months, I received the notification for the interview. So basically it was a technical interview, and the interviewer came, and as usual I started with my introduction and cover everything that was mentioned in my resume. And later on she asked me to write a simple code of you can say that, for example, reverse a digit. So I was able to write it, and a simple SQL queries and some theoretical question was she asked me, and I was able to answer it. You can say that it was an easy level interview. And after 1 month, we received the notification from TPO, we can say the list of the students, those who qualify for the system engineer. And guess what, still we have not received any offer from the Infosys. Just we have got our result that you have been selected, and we are still waiting for that. So after that, Infosys came again in our campus as on campus, and this time they came only for the higher package, that is for power programmer role, and for DSE role, that is 6.5 LPA. So there I was shortlisted, and I think most of the students were eligible for that. And after I think every registration was done from the training and placement cell only, and we just received the invitation link for the exam. And after we received the examination link, we just gave our exam. And you can say that the question of this exam, that is on campus Infosys, and which I gave in the advantage on were almost similar, but luckily this time I was able to solve 2 of the question. And after that, after 1 or 2 months, I received a mail that congratulations, you have cleared the first round for the power programmer, and the next round will be your technical interview. So I was really happy at that moment. Yeah, I did it. So after 1 month, my interview was scheduled. So as usual, the interviewer came and I started with my introduction. I covered all my project and skills in the resume. And after that, the interviewer, she asked me a question. I mean, she asked me just to give the logic of the code, and I was not, she don't ask me to write the code. And I cannot reveal the exact question, but yeah, somewhat similar question. I can say that she can ask you to implement you can say that a phone log. I mean, how the working principle of the phone log. So the question which she asked me, she gave me the time, and after that I thought all the what was the logic and all, and after that I was able to explain all the logic to her. And after that she asked me a simple SQL query, and I was able to write it. And after that she asked me different theoretical question on data structure and algorithm, and also from DBMS part you can say that normal form was also covered, and some data structure like question from linked list, array, difference between array and linked list, different what is hash map. So you can say that you have to go through, you have to thorough with all the topics of data structure and algorithm. So you can expect anything from the interviewer that she can ask. So make sure that you are not left with any topic. Same in both DBMS and also in the case of data structure and algorithm. And also it will be good if you have the knowledge of operating system, and software engineering is also a plus point. Software engineering, like you have what are the different process of software development, like agile method is there, V method is there, waterfall method is there. So you should know this all method, because these are required in the company, you can say that. And after that she also asked me a few questions that whether I know this technology or not. For example, she asked me if you have the knowledge of AWS and cloud and all. So that time I was not having that knowledge, as I was mostly into the app development and competitive programming. So I replied her that though I don't have this knowledge right now, but as a good learner and a quick learner, I can learn it very quickly. Then the interviewer smiled and she asked me that if I will give you 1 month, will you be able to learn that? I smiled and said, yeah, I can learn that within 1 month. So after that interview was over, and guess what? Just last week I received my offer letter from the Infosys, and I was very scared as I have heard different news that Infosys is not going to release the offer letter for 2023 batch. So I was very lucky enough that I got my Infosys offer letter just last week. But unfortunately I am not going to join Infosys, which is package on 9.5 LPA, as I have already joined a company. So yeah, I am grateful to the training and placement cell of our college for giving me this opportunity. And yeah, I hope you like the video, and for such more next videos, please be with us. Thank you very much.